Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic. The topic chapter name is what? Human health and diseases. Generally, first of all, we have to discuss about what is health, what is disease. Generally, if you are seen any person, the person is look like if he look like what health, that means if he look like good, we thought that he is a healthy person. Generally, who are physically look like good, we thought that we call him is a healthy person. Generally, okay, he is very healthy. Like that, we are saying what is health. For example, in a classroom, so many students is there. Different types of students is there. One girl or boy is look like healthy, is look like good. But actually, he or she not adjusted, not comfortable with others. Don't call herself or himself is a healthy. Generally, commonly we are using is a healthy, who are physically well, we call himself or herself we call healthy. But don't use the word healthy. That means the healthy, if you use the word of healthy, who are what? Well-being, total well-being, the state of well-being, state of socially, mentally, physically, who are well-being. The meaning of health. For example, in our what colony in our society, okay, we are not comfort with other people, we are not comfort with we are not talking proper way, we are okay, our society is not good. For example, our environment is also not good, it is also affects our health. That means who are well-being, the state of well-being, especially who are well-being in physically, mentally and socially. That means with society also. That's why I am giving an example. For example, who are in our surrounding, who are living in our surrounding, we are not comfort with them. It is not healthy. Don't use the word of healthy. Who are well-being in all states, that means who are health is a mainly, especially health is a state of well-being. Health is a state of physically, mentally and socially well-being person is called, that is the healthy environment. Healthy, if you use the term of healthy. Disease is different. Disease means what? Any person is uncomfortable, is not comfort. Any organ in his body, in her body, any organ is not functioning proper way, it cause of disease. Any organ or organ system or anything in his body, in her body, any part is not functioning proper way, it is the cause of disease. That is disease. Health is different. Health is for well-being. The state, health is a state of physical, mentally and socially well-being. Is called what? Healthy. Okay, that is healthy. Healthy is meaning different and disease is different. Okay, if you use the term of healthy, compulsory we will observe who are physically well-being and who are mentally and who are socially. Somebody look like very good, look like very okay, well-being, look like very well, but actually they are not comfort with other people. That is also they are not mentally well-being. Okay, anyway, that is the major difference of what health and disease. Okay, now especially for health is mainly affected. How our health is mainly affected? Health means physically, mentally, and social. Means what? With other people, how we are deals with other people, how we are talk with other people, how we are what maintain with other people, how we in our surroundings, in our society also, in our living place, in our surroundings, in our society also, one of the part of health. Okay, anyway, here health is mainly affected. Why our health is affects? Okay, for example, the health is affected mainly one reason is genetic disorders. What is the meaning of genetic disorders? Means what? Especially as a cause of inheritance. That means for inheritance means what the characters are transmitted from parent to offspring. Sometimes the parent transmits not only characteristics, not only traits, sometimes the diseases also. Even behavior, mental condition, everything reflects our genetic. Sometimes the hemophilia, some type of diseases, genetic disorders, so many genetic disorders, diseases is there. Down syndrome, that is also genetic disorder. The cause of what? Especially for if health is mainly affected by one of the reason is genetic disorders. That means which are transmitted the diseases from parents to children, parents to offspring. Okay, and infections. Next reason is what? Health is mainly affected by infections also. What is the meaning of infections? Infections means, for example, if you suffer with what? Communicable diseases. For example, so many corona. Recently we are discussing about corona. That is also infected diseases only. Infected diseases only. Okay, that means the cause of. Okay, the cause of infections also sometimes our health is affected. Infections means what? The cause of diseases. And also what? Next one, lifestyle is also one of the important factor of what? Health is mainly affected by our lifestyle also. What is the meaning of lifestyle? How we are, okay, what type of food we are taking every day, and what type of precautions we have to take in our life, whatever the hygienic conditions we are taking, especially for our lifestyle, our way of taking food, which type of food, which type of water, and our surroundings, everything, our lifestyle, our living places also affects our health. Okay, so that these are the reasons health is mainly affected by genetic disorders, infection, cause of diseases, and our lifestyles also. For example, if your lifestyle is not good, we are not taking proper food, proper time, in time, what will have effects of what? Diabetes and other diseases also. Diabetes, blood pressure, whatever the other diseases also cause of lifestyle is also one of the reason of what mainly affected the health. Okay, and okay, next one, what especially for good health can be achieved and maintained by balanced diet. What is the meaning of balanced diet? We have to take proper diet, nutritional diet, balanced diet, which is consist protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins and minerals, and what? Personal hygiene, that is also very important. Okay, good health can be achieved and maintained by balanced diet and personal hygiene. We have to take some precautions. Okay, and regular exercise also. If you are not exercising in proper way, that means the cause of what? Obesity and other heart diseases, some other diseases also, diabetes like this. Okay, anyway, that means good health can be achieved and maintained by balanced diet, personal hygiene, and regular exercise. And yoga is also one of the reason of good health. And yoga, awareness about the diseases. Okay, awareness also need. That means what? If you and what type of precautions we have to take to prevent diseases, to stop infections. Okay, awareness about the what? Diseases and vaccination. Vaccination. Recently, the scientists are researching about what? Especially corona vaccine. Vaccine is important. That means before suffering from any disease, we are taking what? Vaccine. Vaccine increase our immunity, our body resistance. immunology, immunity power, okay, and vaccination, and also control vectors and maintain hygienic conditions and clean surroundings. Control vectors. Vectors means what? Mediator, mosquitoes, houseflies, honey, whatever is there. It is a cause of diseases. It transmits the disease from person disease. What? Infected person to healthy person. That is what vectors. Especially for so the good health can be achieved to maintain by balanced diet, personal hygiene, regular exercise, yoga is also. It is increase our breathing rate. Okay, oxygen consumption in our body. Okay, yoga is also one of the it is a cause of good health, and awareness about the diseases, vaccination, and control of vectors and maintenance hygienic conditions. Okay, these are what especially for good health can be achieved and maintained by these things. Affected by genetic disorders, infection, and lifestyles. Now we are going to discuss about the disease. Disease means what? Uncomfortable. We are not comfort. That means in our body, any organ or any organ system, it's not functioning in proper way, it cause of disease. It's a personal, individual or group of people disease. Health can reflect the society also, but disease can reflect only in individual or a group of people. Disease means what? In his or her body, any organ, any part is not comfortable, not functioning proper way, it's cause of disease. Okay, now we are going to discuss about types of diseases. Generally, diseases are congenital diseases and acquired diseases. Two types is there. Congenital diseases and acquired diseases. Congenital diseases we can call genetic disorders. Genetic disorders, that means these diseases are cause of what? Parents to offspring. That means these diseases are transmitted from parents to offspring. That is genetic disorders. Especially for congenital, the Down syndrome, hemophilia, diabetes also, sometimes cancers also. Okay, anyway, this is congenital diseases, genetic cause of genetic disorders. Okay, from parent to offspring. And next one, acquired diseases. In our lifetime, acquired. These diseases are acquired. In our lifetime, it becomes acquired diseases. What are acquired diseases? Acquired diseases, especially for, again, two types of acquired diseases is there. One is communicable diseases, other one is non-communicable diseases. Try to understand. Here types of diseases, two types of diseases are two types. One is congenital diseases, other one is acquired diseases. Congenital diseases means genetic disorder, which diseases are what? Transmitted from parents to offspring. And acquired diseases are two types, again two types, which are occurs in our lifetime. Acquired diseases, two types. One is communicable diseases, other one is non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases again divided into bacterial infection. Communicable. What is the meaning of communicable? Infections. The cause of infection. Communicable. Person to person. The communicable diseases, it is transmitted from infected person to healthy person. Communicate through with a vector, through with animals, through with what other what, so many causes of communicate. Air, water, communicable diseases. These diseases are transmitted from infected person to healthy person. Nothing but we can call infections. The causes of infection: bacterial diseases, typhoid, cholera, viral diseases, AIDS, polio, corona, okay, and protozoan diseases. Protozoan diseases what? Amoebiasis, malaria, helminthic diseases, ascariasis, okay, Enterobius tuberculosis, teniasis, helminthic diseases. and fungal diseases. Fungal diseases, tick mites, skin diseases, infections, urogenital infections, the cause of fungal diseases also. Okay, anyway, communicable disease again divided into bacterial diseases, viral diseases, protozoan diseases, helminthic diseases and fungal diseases. And what about non-communicable? It is not communicate. It is not transfer from infected person to healthy person. Non-communicable diseases. What are non-communicable diseases? Non-communicable diseases are deficiency of vitamins and nutrients. One is deficiency vitamins and nutrients. For example, B vitamin, beriberi, degenerative heart diseases. In our lifetime, it is cause of heart disease, and allergic diseases like asthma. Asthma is a non-communicable disease, and cancers, cause of food, cause of what lifestyle, cause of what, cause of chemicals, cause of cancers. It is non-communicable. That is, it infects only one person. Okay, non-communicable diseases. Okay, that means types of diseases. Congenital diseases, that means congenital diseases are transmitted from parents to. That means congenital diseases are before birth. At the time of birth, before birth, it transmits from parent to offspring. Here, acquired diseases are after birth. Because after birth, in our lifetime. Okay, genital disorder, congenital diseases we can call nothing but we can call genital disorders. Acquired diseases in our lifetime, if we suffer with any disease, that is we can call after birth diseases, we can call acquired diseases. Acquired diseases again two types: communicable disease, non-communicable disease. Communicable disease transmitted from infected person to healthy person. Communicable diseases are bacterial diseases, viral diseases, protozoan diseases, helminthic diseases, fungal diseases. And non-communicable diseases, deficiency of nutrients and degenerative heart diseases like that, allergic diseases, asthma, and cancer is also non-communicable diseases. Okay, thank you. Next one we have to discuss about communicable diseases, infections.